Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got in today is a VW Golf 2006, and what we installed on this car is we changed the old radio and we've installed a brand new radio system. This is the Sony XAV-AX5550D. This system is a brand new system with so much brand new functionality that the old radio did not offer. So you've got stuff like Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Weblink for if you want to access videos and stuff while you're parked. And also additionally, we've installed on this car is the Thinkware Q800 Pro dashcam. As you can see, that's nicely installed there, all the wiring nicely hidden, and the rear camera at the back. So yeah, this is a brand new stereo as well. The stereo gives you functionality such as Bluetooth audio streaming and CarPlay. So I'll just show you CarPlay here at the moment. We got connected up. So CarPlay allows you to use maps, navigation, music and stuff like that using your iPhone. So you got the iPhone connected up there and it's running on the system there. So yeah, if you want this kind of functionality on your car, just give us a shout, guys.